Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have PUBG here and I'm going to show you how to change it from first person perspective to third person perspective. Now the thing is, I put mine in first person view by accident and I didn't know how to go back to the third person view. And I watched a lot of YouTube videos and basically there was videos that said how you can basically touch the aim and touch your gun the same time and it'll flip it during gameplay. However, it did not work for me. Not exactly sure why. However, if you are stuck in it, the only thing you gotta do is go to the main lobby. You're not gonna be able to change first person to third person and vice versa while you're actually in a game. So what you gotta do is just go right here and it's very simple. Right here where it says select mode, tap on that and voila. And it's right up here at top. You got third person perspective and first person. So you can either tap either or right there. So pretty simple. If you guys actually know how to switch from third person to first person while you're inside a game, please comment below and give me the exact instructions because all the stuff, again, I saw from YouTube, none of it worked for me. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.